So
experience
we are
letter
only
for
looking out for the people
PN,
who have done their
pressure of
medical
the
graduates with their bachelors into either dentistry, homeopathy, physical
ये चीज़ है
therapy,
क्या?
Unani or
वो
Ayurveda.
उस गेल में
So
काम कर रहा था
that's
बोलते हैं
the
तो
only thing
कुछ नहीं
we are
मिलता है, हमारे
looking
पास
out for
उनको
now.
कोई मतलब ही
So if you
नहीं,
guys
उनको
have
बस खाली काम
any
करवाना है, हो गया अब जाओ।
any similar degree
नहीं जा
in
रहे
your
पा रहे थे कल,
in your
अच्छी बात
graduation,
है,
which is PPT,
जो
PDS,
एक्सपीरियंस वाले हैं।
BHMS, BAMS or BUMS, right? So then those candidates are only eligible for this role, and we are looking out for the recent graduates. Also, the location wise, we are hiring for our Noida based office, which is in sector 135, and the role will be with one of our US healthcare client. It would
चलिए
be a
वैसे
day
अपने
shift,
कॉन्टैक्ट
a
बेस पे
normal
हैं,
morning shift.
तो वो
Work
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो
it would
करता
be
होगा
10-hour shift,
प्रमोशन
which is
वगैरह
9
जैसे
plus 1, which is
एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड पे।
quality.
कुछ नहीं करता
So
वो।
that
वो
will be there.
प्रमोशन ना कर
वो
रहा।
क्यों
Apart from
करेगा? दो
that,
साल का उसका
if
टेंडर,
any
दो साल
one
में
of
निकल
you
जाएगा।
guys who have
अच्छा फिर
done
दूसरी बात चेंज होगा।
any
हाँ, उसका
degree
उनसे क्या मतलब है?
apart from this, just put it in the chat.
उसको
अच्छा
तो
2 साल में चेंज होता है क्या?
उसको हाँ, उसको तो ये भी नहीं पता कि तुम
कौन
यहाँ पे
कौन
हो कि
काम कर
नहीं
रहा
हो,
है?
कौन
So
काम कर रहा है,
please
उससे क्या मतलब?
mute
उसको तो
yourself,
यहाँ से
guys,
उन्होंने भेज दिया, उधर से उसने सैलरी डाल दी, काम तो ये लोग भी करवा रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं? ये चीज़ है।
Sir, I have a question. Like, I am from a US
तो फिर
healthcare
अब जैसे
background,
2 साल बाद
so
दूसरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
I
आया,
will
बस
stay
फिर
in
क्या,
this field
उसको
or
भी क्या,
not?
2 साल के लिए रहना, फोन का भैया, उसको क्या पता इधर क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा। उसको तो वहाँ से जो पैसे मिल रहे हैं गेल से, वो तो उसके ही पैसे को रिवर्स करके तुमको सैलरी देना,
Am
उसको
I
भी
audible?
वही है ठीक है क्या।
हाँ, उसको भी मतलब नहीं।
This is very cost. Yeah.
देख
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Sorry, I guess there was some issue.
I'm asking that I am from US healthcare. My background is from US healthcare, and
That
right now,
doesn't matter, Ishwar. In case if you don't have any degrees, which I have mentioned, right? If you don't have any degree like this, you are not eligible. So that's what we are making a criteria to hire the candidates. Any
sir,
candidate, even if you're from B Pharma or A Pharma or anything, any experience you have in the healthcare domain, but you don't have this graduation degree, you are not eligible. So this is as simple as that. Let
Hello,
me
sir.
just
I'm
put
audible.
it. Yes, you are
okay,
audible.
okay.
Sir, my degree is Bachelor in Physiotherapy (BPT), and beside
I have
this,
already put in the chat if you
yes,
have
sir.
seen.
I have a one question, sir. I have a
Yeah.
basically, sir, 5 year experience in InnoData
Okay.
as a medical summarization. So,
Understood.
what will be the budget for this position? Can you elaborate?
See, right now the role we are hiring currently, this is for the entry level role, which is a process associate. Usually we have like hierarchy which goes from process associate, which is an entry level role at Genpact, and then it goes to process developer and all. So for now, the opening is for the process associate only, where we need either a fresher who has recently graduated, or someone who has like minimum of up to 1 year of experience, maximum up to 1 year of experience, not more than that. In case
Okay,
you have
okay.
mentioned that you have 5 years of experience, because we have the salary range which will go in between 3 LPA to 4 LPA based upon the interview. Okay, so that is what we have as our maximum budget. If you already draw more than that, then it doesn't make any sense. Right?
Yes, sir. Actually, my budget is currently I'm receiving 6.5 package. So, thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
that makes sense. Yeah, maybe you can drop off in that case. Fine, everyone. Hope you guys have seen what I am trying to say. Anyone who is having any degree apart from the mentioned above, which is PPT, PDS, BHMS, BMS, and BUMS, which is for dentistry, homeopathy, physiotherapy, Unani, and Ayurveda. Please stay, else you can drop off because we won't be considering any B Pharma, any healthcare experience with BCom, MCom, MBA, BBA, BSc, and whatsoever degrees. Only if you have these degrees, then only stay in the call, else you can drop off. Yeah, Prashant,
Hi.
you were saying I'm from the commerce background. I want to apply for. Prashant, we have your data. We have all of your guys' data with us. So if we will have any current, like any similar opening to your profile within the accounts and finance, then the team will share you the particular link. You can join that. That's not a problem because we already have all of you guys' data. So we have the data with us. So that's not a problem. We can again reach you out, guys, whenever we have the openings. Yeah,
Great.
yeah, tell me.
I just want to know is which locations for you are hiring?
It's for the Noida location, guys, sector 135. It will be all 5 days work from office, and the freshers are welcome who are having the good medical understanding.
So actually, I'm looking for
Yeah.
a Pune or Hyderabad location. So is there any opportunities for Pune location or Hyderabad location?
If we will have anything for Pune and Hyderabad, then maybe we will share you the particular link. We we have our team which more often share the links for the drives we have conducting at Chennai. So you may get more mails.
Okay. So how will I connect with the team?
Team will connect with you over the mail, just like for now what we have did, right? So the team has reached out to the mail and links. It will be happening the same.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sure, thank you. Anyone else on the call who have any confusion about the role, locations, etc., working shift?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Nikhil.
Recently, recently I completed our pharmacy degree, bachelor of pharmacy. So can I
As I
stay here?
mentioned already in the chat, Nikhil, that we can hire only the medical graduates who have bachelors in their dentistry, homeopathy, physiotherapy, Unani, or Ayurveda. So if you have these 5 degrees, only then we can consider your profile. For anyone who has B Pharma, D Pharma, healthcare experience with BCom, MCom, BSc, MSc are not eligible. So kindly drop off if you don't have PPT, BDS, BHMS, BUMS, and BAMS.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good
So the
afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, Mansi.
Sir, is the timings fixed? I mean, the morning shift?
Yeah, it's a morning shift. Anyone else who have any confusion, any question regarding the job role? I will again tell you about this role. It is an MRIS role, which is medical record summarizer. In this particular role, the person will be maintaining the medical records basically. So whatever the records any healthcare institution is maintaining, right? Whether it is for patients or whatsoever, you have to manage those documentation. You have to keep the data in place. So like whenever it is required, you are easily able to get it and share it with the concerned person. So this is what the simple role is about. Sorry, what you are saying, Shilpi? I have a 11 degrees, but I have
Sir,
various.
yeah, sir. Actually, I have a like gap of approximately 8 years due to like my son. So currently I'm 35. So it's like eligible or not as per the age purpose.
You can stay on the call for now and let us go through the PIR rounds. We will be conducting the personal interview rounds first, and then once you are clearing that round, then we will be
Also,
moving you guys to
also,
the
sir, I
second
have
round.
a Bachelor of Physiotherapy and MBA Healthcare and Data Analytics also. But the problem is only like don't have the working experience, only the 1 year, like, and after then 8 years of gap. So, what can I do now?
You have the bachelor's degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable with the compensation we'll be offering you? Hope you are aware, like what we are offering. It's between 3 and 4 LPA. Up to 4 LPA will be going forward.
Well, actually, sir, I want to start again just for the restart purpose. That's why I joined this call.
just stay on the call. Let us go through the PIR because I'm not exactly sure whether we need the only the recent graduates or any graduate would work. But yeah, you can stay. You can help with the reason once the recruiter is assigned to you for the interview, and then we can maybe proceed ahead accordingly. Hope all of you guys who are on this call, they have the degree in BPT, BDS, MPT, MDS, BMS, BUMS, BHS, BHMS, right? Any one of you guys doesn't have any such degrees, you can drop off. We may again reach you out whenever we have any other openings where we don't need any specific degree.
सागबुड़ी तो खाई लेंगे पार्टी का तरीका होता है बाद में तुम खाई उसी नए साल में साइड गाड़ी पट गया जितने फार्म कोको पप्पू
We have around 12 people here in this room. Okay guys, please stay in this call. Do not leave this session. Let me join back. What you were saying, Prashant? Prashant, please wait for some time. We will share you whatever the things are required. If we have anything for a Google form, then you will get it.
जियो में अगर मैं उमेश जी के लिए मैं भल लाइक ओए सेवन उठा के जी उठ जाने हमने डाली वो सुनने गाड़ी डाल के लेके हम पीछे ही सीट पे सारा टेढ़ो बिल्कुल ढप्पा है वो तो जहां जी हम दो बैठे बाद बीच लाख बीच सीट पे डाल हो चुका तो बात कर लेते सब दौरा चुपचाप डाल के लेके जाए लोग मेरे मत टोल पे जाके भेड़ो टोल वाले पे तो संभाले वाले अरे ना खुद अंकुल उसमें नहीं थे आवते दोनों बैठा गाड़ी को गया दिल्ली में नमन दिल्ली से बनने ड्राइवर नमन चलो उनकी भी रख दिया ना दे रवि साहब ने पता है इधर से रवि का आवाज बड़ी तो गाड़ी में आता है पहुंच मारो रवि साहब ने 5:30 अब बना बन के आओ शायद मैं को घरेगा कुछ रवि साहब ने भी एसटी कराओ सारे वो गाड़ी ले गए हाँ चलो मैं तो जा रहा हूँ खुद ही गाड़ी लेगी रास्ता में लोग तेरे से यार बोले तुम नहीं तो कहीं बोलो मैं तो गाड़ी लेके जा रहा हूँ साले तुम कितने रोकना नहीं
अजीब अजीब सी चीज़ आ जाती है
एकदम खुद गाड़ी लेके चल रहे हैं मिनट में जा रहा हूँ गाड़ी को वही तो बोलते हैं बात करते वही तो अभी करना पड़ता क्रांति लग रहा है पहले ऐसी होती एकदम बड़ी बड़ी जल रही
सब तो मैं कहती हूँ
3 साल बड़ी हुई सर्दी जैसे आई शुरू कर दी थी
8 घंटा के बाद 1 घंटा काम होता तो बहुत जल्दी अपने 1 घंटा काम नहीं होता क्या टी टेबल
या प्रैक्टिस रवि
वॉलीबॉल
और गाड़ी पीछे पड़ा गाड़ी चला काय की बात प्रैक्टिस बोला ठीक है बाप फोन कर लो वो आया था ना मोबाइल से कनेक्ट है करी दे तो काय वो मैसेज दिमाग उठा जा फोन तो दर्द उठा दे अरे मैसेज आया मोबाइल से कनेक्ट कर रहे
चलें
जरा तो ये आगे ना हीरो की आगे बेदा में बढ़िया है नहीं बेदा हां बेदा बढ़िया है वो अच्छी आएगी नहीं रेंज कहां है को बाप बेदा में आ रही है बाप तीनों वेरिएंट है 100 की वो 120 की 140 तीनों आई बाप 140 वाली 100 चल रहा है और 100 वाली चल रही है 80
हां 100 बहुत है
वो 100 लगी बाने ये लगाने यारी बढ़िया अपने होना तो ना ये पे ब्लू ये बार पूरी 100 चलते भाई तो बुरा है तो यार हो जाएगा
अपना मोड़ा तो
वही तो था जा तो
अरे नहीं अपना मोड़ा इतना बड़ा है
बात वास्तव बड़ा लंबा है छेवड़े में हाथ लंबा
है
तो जैसे संदीप जो लंबा वो छेवड़े को तो लंबा
हां कछु को लंबे काम तो सर भी करवाया जाता अरे वो पेड़ कितने वो तोड़ दिए નીચેથી તું ને લઈ લઈ
खाओ अरे सूर्य प्रकाश जा जा तेरे वीडियो साहब आदमी यार तो क्यों
आदमी तो मतलब भाई वो
देव जासा हां
नहीं तो आदमी चलो आदमी मान लीजिए
भाई तो
तो
गाड़ी पकड़ पाऊं मैं
नहीं तो आदमी नहीं तो औरत क्यों है
तुम यार ये बताओ तुम्हें रात को ये सोचता रहा कि वो अपना सूर्य प्रकाश था क्या अपना अजीब सा आदमी है क्या हाँ भाई सब बिल्कुल मेरा वो तो एक ही गाँव में
नहीं तो
हुए
जय साहब तो हमारे गाँव में एक मोदी रहा तो नरेंद्र मोदी का आदमी है वो
वो तो पूछे मेरा वो कौन कुत्ती है ये काजू तो वैसे नाम से काम चल रहा है नाम से काम चल रहा है जाके अरे जा
क्या कहना है?
अरे
अरे भैया
नंदी सर मैंने फिर चेक करा लो अरे सोना तुम अभी भी हो अभी गई नहीं हो मुझे बोले मेरे साथ मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा पहले जो ट्रांसफर साहब के दिन क्या अपन ये तुम्हारे अब भी इतनी को जानते हो मेरे साथ 2 साल दंगे रहूँगा याद करना मैं सोए रहा हूँ 9 बजे में घुमाओ फिर वो चलूँगा हाँ हीरो यहाँ नवनीत सर आए हुए हैं तेरे यहाँ मैं साहब मैं तो उदयपुर हूँ अच्छा उदयपुर मुझे ले रहा है कौन सा ऑडिट तुमने कहा भाई अरे मेरे यहाँ कोई ऑडिट मैंने तो बोल दिया तो मैंने बोल दिया था अब आप चौधरी सर देखो क्या होता है वो बल्ली हुई है होटल काम बन गया मस्त